Short press the button to turn on the screen and view the battery level. Short press again to cycle through port status and battery health pages. When a cable is connected or disconnected, the display automatically switches to the corresponding port page. The display returns to the main screen after 15 seconds of inactivity. When the screen is off, wake the display manually to check DTAP and BP port status. The screen turns off automatically after 30 seconds when no ports are in use. VB79 supports simultaneous charging through USB-C 2 and the retractable USB-C 1 cable with up to 140W input. When USB-C 3 and USB-A are used simultaneously, the output power of each port is reduced. The 12 volts DC and 8.4 volts DC ports cannot be used at the same time. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to rotate the display by 90. Double press the button to turn the light on or off. The main screen displays the current battery percentage. During charging or discharging, the current status and total power are displayed below the battery bar. Active ports are highlighted and display real-time power and status information. View battery temperature, battery health, and cycle count. Connect VB79 to the Photoolex app to monitor status, control functions, and perform firmware upgrades. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone before connecting. Open the app, tap a device, and select VB79. After a successful connection, the Bluetooth icon on the VB79 screen remains on. View real-time port status and device information in the app. Enable USB trickle charging mode for low-current devices. The USB indicator turns blue on the VB79 display. Tap the icon in the upper right corner of the device control page and select Screen Timeout. Select Always on Display or Auto Sleep after inactivity. Tap the icon in the upper right corner of the device control page and select Firmware Upgrade. If a new firmware version is available, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade. Keep the phone connected to the VB79 throughout the upgrade process. A confirmation message appears on both the app and the VB79 after the update is completed. USB-C output power may be reduced automatically when temperature protection is activated. The VB79 may display a power overload warning when connected devices do not support automatic power renegotiation. Unplug and reconnect the cable to allow the device to detect the available power. Enable S-Boost mode in the Photoolex app. With internal component safety maintained, the enclosure temperature limit is relaxed to extend high-power USB-C output. Stop charging or discharging and wait until the battery returns to a normal temperature. Check whether the cable and connected device meet the required specifications. If the previous troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue, press and hold the button for 15 seconds to reset the device. Contact customer support if the issue persists. Quickly press the button 5 times, then press and hold for 3 seconds to access the device information page. Share the information shown on this page with customer support for assistance.